What's up YouTube? Laurie here, back again with another remake tutorial. Today I'm doing a simple, quick little breakdown on Straightenin by Migos. The BPM is set to 136. Here's what I have for the intro. Let's break down the chords / melody first. There's only one chord playing throughout the intro, which is a D minor triad chord on second inversion, which consists of 3 following notes, D, F, and A. And also there's an F note right over here on the next bar. And basically it repeats the sequence over and over again for the intro. Very simple. Next, let me show you the sound design. I'm using this preset on Alchemy Synth called Odd Key. If you don't see it, you will have to download the Flex and Flow Garageband sound pack. Once you have the sound pulled up, I EQ the sound a little bit by turning the bass all the way down. I mess with the treble a little bit as well. And as you can see, I have the reverb turned all the way up. Next, let's break down the chorus section. First, let me solo the flute section. Here are the notes. Very simple, D, E, and F. For the sound design, I'm using the regular flute preset that you can find on Garageband iOS, and I just turned the reverb all the way up, like this. Now let's break down the drums in the 808. First, let's start with the hi-hats. I started out by drawing a simple 2-step pattern and adding some hi-hat rolls like this. Here's what it sounds like. Yeah, nothing too fancy here, pretty straightforward. And I have an open hi-hat playing at the beginning of every 4 bars. I have a rim shot hitting on every 3rd beat. I also have a very simple offbeat snare pattern. Super simple, nothing too complicated here. Now for the 808, I made a slight adjustments to how I programmed the 808 compared to the original beat. As you can see, I have more 808s hitting before the 808 roll that comes at the end. Also on the original beat, there's some triplet 808 rolls going on. However, on Garageband iOS, you can't set the grid to triplet. And there are ways to work around it, but however, for the sake of keeping this tutorial simple, I'm just gonna show you how I programmed it. This is what it sounds like. I had the kick pattern following the 808, except for the 808 rolls. Yeah, that'll pretty much do it for this quick little breakdown. Write down in the comments down below which breakdown you would like to see next. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you know when I go live for my streaming, as well as when I drop new content. I'm currently working on dropping another sound pack with royalty-free sample loops, all created by me, and I'm also currently in the process of starting a Patreon page where I'll have exclusive Patreon content, so stay tuned for that. More information coming soon. I'll see you guys in the next video.